Hello, my name is Brittany Little, and I'm a therapist specializing in adoption. It's nice to meet you. We can explore any behaviors or issues that you and your child are experiencing in regards to the adoption. How are things going? Can you tell me a little about your situation?
My name is Stephanie, and I am the parent of a 6-year-old little boy, Ryan. I adopted him 2 years ago from an adoption agency. I'm at a loss on what to do and feel like I'm at my wit's end. Ryan's behaviors are terrible. He doesn't sleep, he hoards and steals food, he melts down if I leave his sight, and freaks out when I try to help him bathe. I'm just looking for suggestions on what to do to make the situation better for he and I both. I know that there are issues going on within Ryan that need to be addressed, but I don't know how to do that. Please help my family.
It sounds as though your child has experienced a great deal of emotional distress and trauma. Do you know anything about his history, or do you know anything about his biological family?
Not much. I do know that he came from a terrible situation. His mother was barely 18 when Ryan was born. She became an addict after Ryan was born. She left him alone often or with people she barely knew. He was malnourished when he was removed from her care. It was suspected that Ryan was sexually abused by a friend of his biological mother's. He's had a rough life. I want to help him but need help doing so.
It sure sounds like Ryan has had a tough life. He may suffer from separation anxiety due to his mother leaving him alone often. I suspect that he hoards food because he is adapted to the idea that food is scarce and hard to come by. He probably doesn't sleep because he is not comfortable enough yet to do so. He probably panics while in the tub because that could be where his sexual abuse took place. We can't erase his past, but we can work to make his future better.
Wow, I never thought of all those things. What can I do to help him?
We can start by addressing his sleeping problem. No one is going to be happy without sleep. Let's try putting a nightlight in his room or even letting him sleep near you. It may help him to fall asleep holding your hand just so he will know you're there. As for the food hoarding, let him make decisions about food. Let him go to the grocery store with you. Let him choose his portion sizes at lunch and dinner time, and give him a snack every 2 to 3 hours. This will let him know that he will always have access to food. When he is in the tub, stay by his side but prompt him to wash his own privates. This is scary to him due to the sexual abuse. The only other time someone has touched him in these places, it ended badly for him. You may help him wash his hair and face. It will take time, but he will realize that you are not there to hurt him. You will eventually earn his trust. There is no way to tell how long it will take Ryan to grow more comfortable with you. It is important for you to understand why he reacts this way. His behaviors are the only way he knows how to defend himself. It is not that he won't control himself, it's that he can't. His behaviors are an internal response to the stress. I understand how trying this must be for you, but it is important that you do not give up. Take care of Ryan, but you also must take care of yourself. You can't pour from an empty cup.
Thank you so much for the suggestions. I will definitely try these things at home and hope that Ryan will become more comfortable. I hope that he will start to understand how much I love him. I will definitely be back to talk about our progress and how we continue to move forward.
You're welcome. Please keep me posted on your progress, and I wish the best for you and Ryan. You are doing a great job providing a loving home for Ryan. Take care of yourself so you can take care of Ryan.